everyone, Jackie here from Be-You-Tiful Jewels, and this week's theme is going to be about jewelry organization. Whether you have a collection of jewelry or you own a jewelry business like Paparazzi accessories, I'm going to show you different ways that I organize my accessories to keep them fresh and new and looking pretty. Okay, so I am going to show you today how I hang my earrings and my bracelets on a pegboard. So as you can see here, I have all my earrings on one side and my bracelets on the other. All you have to do is buy this piece of pegboard here. Okay, it comes this length, okay, in Home Depot or at Lowe's, and you can get it for like $7.99. And what I did was I used these S hooks that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just put them here. I put one in the middle and one on the other end. Okay, now this here is a curtain rod that I had, so all I had to do is just put the curtain rod on the wall, and I hang the pegboard sideways with these hooks. Okay, now to hang my jewelry, these little plastic hooks, you could get them for like $100 for I'm not sure how much I got them for. I don't know if it was $8.99, but I got these in Amazon. And you just put these little hooks and hang your jewelry. Now what I do is I take my punch hole and I punch it on the plastic. See, because this is jewelry that I sell, so I like to keep them in their plastic. So I gotta fix this one. I like to keep them on the plastics because I don't want them getting messed up or tarnished. These earrings are out because I did a live last week a couple of times and I showed them. So this is a really nice way that you can organize your jewelry. Like I said, whether you have a business jewelry or if you have personal collection. Okay, so I hope that this inspires you to organize your own accessories on a pegboard. It will look really pretty in a bedroom. So if you create your own pegboard jewelry holder, let me see. I would love to see. Just take a picture of it and post it below. I would love to see it. So tomorrow I will get back to you with another tip, okay, of how to organize your accessories.